Potato.
Oh, potato, you're back. Okay, so here, let's do this. Okay, can you see this one? Look at the
Yeah.
picture. I have here 5 pictures. Now here, look at picture number 1, potato. Can you see the boy's eyes in the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see the boy's nose?
Yeah.
Okay. How about the boy's mouth?
Boy mouth.
Oh, is there one mouth? And what is missing in number 1?
In ear.
Oh, ears. Next. How about number 2? What is missing in number 2?
In in eye.
It's the eyes. Very good. How about number 3? What's missing in number 3? Number 3.
Missing number 3. In mouth.
Okay, it's the mouth. Very good. Number 4.
Number 4.
Yeah, what's missing?
Missing.
Yeah,
Number 4.
yeah.
Missing head.
What's missing?
No.
No,
No.
very good. And potato, how about number 5? What's missing in number 5?
Number 5 is
Is
number 5
yeah.
is
What's number 5?
number 5 is I don't know.
Carefully. What's missing to the face of number 5? What's missing?
Missing
Yeah.
is
It's
it's here.
okay. Very good. It's the hair. So as you can see here, there were so many missing here in this pictures. Number 1, ears. 2, eyes. 3, mouth. 4, nose. And 5 is the hair. Now here, potato. What
Yeah.
color are the girl's eye in number 2? Sorry.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know? How about here? Okay, look at here, potato. Let's do this. Choose and write the correct word. So, potato, what are the words given there? Smile. Please read.
What?
Please read the word given inside the box. Smile. Come on.
My own
Next.
neck.
What's next? Smile. Kick. Good. Potato, kick.
Young.
Please read. Smile. Kick.
My own and
Kick.
kick.
Next. Wave. Potato, where are you?
Here,
Please read.
I'm here.
Okay, please read. Wave.
Wave.
Next.
Next.
See,
See.
listen,
Listen.
look,
Look.
run.
Run.
Okay, look at number 1. I blank with my mouth. What can I do with my mouth? Smile, kick, or wave? Mouth. What can you do with the mouth? Smile, kick, or wave? I blank with my mouth. What is it, Potato?
Eat.
What do we do with the mouth? We
We have.
mouth. What do we do with the mouth? Do we smile? Do we kick? Or do we wave?
Yes. Wait.
Yes. Wave. Your mouth will wave. Are you sure? Mouth will?
Yes.
Oh no, look at Potato. Mouth will? Look at what's the answer number 1. Mouth
Yeah.
will? Smile.
Now.
Okay, next. Potato, how about with the eyes? What can we do with our eyes? I can
I
what?
don't know.
Look at here, the words. The sensors are here.
Yeah.
Smile is done. What do we do with the eyes? Kick, wave,
In.
see,
See.
listen, look, and run. What is it? See and what else?
Clear.
There are 2. See and what else?
I don't know.
Look at the answer. Oh, I see and what's number 2? Read number 2. I see and
I see. I see with me. I see and look with my eye.
very good. Next, how about number 3? I blank to music with my ears. What do you do with your ears? I
Listen.
very good. I listen to music with my ears. And Potato, how about number 4? I blank at my friends with my hand. What do you do with your hand?
Hand.
Yeah. I
In.
hand.
The hand.
Yeah, what do you do with the hand? Kick or wave?
Win.
Very good, wave. How about with your feet? What do you do with your feet? There are 2 answers.
I don't know.
Look at there. Look at carefully.
Yeah.
What do we do with our feet and our legs?
Nala.
Okay, look at the answer. Please read number 5. What's number 5?
And I can run
Okay.
with my
I
feet
can-
and legs.
Very good. I can kick a ball with my feet and I can run with my feet and legs. There you go. All right, so Potato, we will just end there because it's already time. And Potato, please don't forget what you have learned today, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so goodbye for now, Potato. Goodbye.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Okay.
Teacher.
Good night. See you next time.
Good night. Yes. You like her time.
Yes.